puedo filmar.
Left! Square left! Left! Jenny! Jenny! Back left! There! Bye. Left, Jenny! Left! 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 Come by, Cap! Come by! Come by! Come by! Come by! Left, Jenny! Left! Left! Come by, Cap! Jenny! Sit down, Cap! Sit! Sit!
How can they hear?
Sit! Get up, Cap! Get up! Left, Jenny! Left! Left! Jenny! Come by, Cap! Sit! Jenny! 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 Jenny!
Prachtig.
That's great.
You see that some of the sheep are pretty stubborn, and especially up in the mountains that can cause some trouble. And our dogs learn that they sometimes have to grab in the wool a little bit to give a warning. They are not allowed to bite, but they are allowed to give a warning in the wool. That's different from the trial dogs, for instance, that are not allowed to do that at all, but ours have to do it sometimes. We start with basics, and then in small fields, and then you build it up from there. Then they go into, it takes about 1.5 to 2 years to train the basics, and then another 1.5 to 2 years to get them experience up in the mountains, and then they also learn from the more experienced dogs. Now they have to bring them in here. Okay, you see here a group of sheep that have been sheared. They all have the red markings already, and some of them they still have a bit of the markings.
We want sheep to decide that she's not going to come in. That's the second time a sheep done it today, and sheep, if they get away once, they want to get away the second time. It's easier to just leave her be because she might just injure herself. So we have to leave her alone.
Yeah. These are in for shearing. They're the last ones for shearing that we have this year, and then John is done. Lucky. Huh? He looks forward to that.